2016 Ford Fusion. What we got done on it. Factory converter right there. Then we put a cherry bomb. Part number I'll show you guys in a second. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe existing. There's the cherry bomb, 87522CB. Be a link in the description for it again. Then we have to put a solid mount hanger on it and a rear muffler delete, because the original muffler goes, it's huge. It goes all the way across from here to here. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And a 4-inch rolled blue flame tip. We'll show you the link to that too. There's the resonator we cut off and put the cherry bomb in its place. There's that huge muffler we cut off. It comes center or offset to center, kind of side, whatever you want to call it, and then side out right there. This is what it looks like after. He lost about 50 pounds just like that. We did liposuction. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, much better. Give it gas? Wow. Oh, it's so much better with a cherry bomb. Here's sound decibels. Again. 160. Go and back it up. They got a nice idle to it too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Cherry bomb. That's not bad. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Cherry bomb mid and muffler delete and resonator delete with a 4-inch tip. Yeah, nice little